In this video, we're going to demonstrate how to replace a DC motor when you're getting an Error 1 code. So first step, you would have to verify the unit is unplugged from the wall outlet, and you were going to go ahead and grab this biggest clip here and go ahead and unclip it. Now using a Phillips head screwdriver, go ahead and remove all 4 screws in each corner. Okay, what you're gonna go ahead and do here is just grab onto the tension cable here, pull on the motor, make sure you unhook it from this plastic area on the motor, and just go ahead and uncoil it this way. And then just go ahead and remove it from there. You grab the new motor. We're gonna go ahead and snap it back in. Go ahead and coil it. Now here, you might feel the tension a little stiff when you're trying to clip it over to the other side. But just go ahead and do it. You will not damage the motor nor will you damage the cable. Like so. Now go ahead and place it back onto the metal here. And using the same screws, go ahead and secure the motor onto the frame. And just go ahead and reclip the larger clip that you removed the first time around with the new motor. That is it. That is your how to replace a DC motor for Error 1 code.